Okay, welcome to all. So today I'll show you how to work with simple notification service in Amazon service. So just go to Amazon console. Little bit slow. So once it is opened, go to search bar and type simple notification service. Simple SNS, or you can type simple notification service. Then click on it. Simple notification service. Then you can able to see left pan. You can observe that about a simple notification service dashboard topic subscriptions. Click on topics and then click on create topic. So in create topic, so topic is a kind of a channel, and we have to associate some protocol to that channel, and whatever the messages we are sending, that messages will reach to that protocol, that channel, and it will distribute all subscribers whoever subscribe to that channel. So select the standard option. So type here some new, give some topic name, channel name. So then click on create topic. So then we can able to see the topic is created successfully. So whenever you created the topic or a channel, so then you can able to see okay. Then go to subscriptions, create subscription. Click on. So these are different type of protocols. Select email. So give some email and then drag down. Click on create subscription. So this particular email is subscribed to that channel. So this email is there in that channel. So whenever that channel is sending messages, that will come to that uh, email automatically. Alerts, all kind of alerts you will receive. So now you can observe here that the status is pending. So you can go to that mail to check that the notification is received or not. Now this is the mail ID. You can see here AWS notification received. So if you to confirm this, you can click here confirm subscription. So once you click confirm subscription here, then we can able to see this pending confirmation is uh, like confirmed. Okay. So you can see here the subscription confirmed. So we can also here once it is open, you can able to see the status. It is confirmed. Okay. Then go to topics again. Click on your topic. then go to publish a message. If you want to publish some message to the all subscribers who are subscribed to your channel, click on publish a message. So enter the subject name, just a testing simple notification service email, and then so you can write something on the message part. Hello to welcome to simple notification service on AWS. So once it is your message is done, then you can click on publish a message. Then we can able to see the message will be published, and so we'll go to the mail ID and we can see that that alert is received to our mail or not. Yes, whatever you have typed here, that message is alert is received to our mail. So this is how the SNS is working on AWS. That's all. Thank you.